Have you ever wanted to do some cell shading on your Space Marine? Well, in this video, we're going to do just that. So join me, this is OmniMing, and let's get to this! If you've been to my channel before, well, you probably have seen many of the cell shading videos. I've done one for the orc, I've done one for the chicken, and I've also done one for the anime skin. Well, right now, I've noticed that I haven't tried out a Space Marine, so let's get to this right now. So today, we are painting our Space Marine model, which will be the Lieutenant armed with a flamer. We'll start by applying black primer, then we'll dive right with a striking blue. Keldor Sky is our choice. The goal here is to have a vibrant and bold finish, so we're steering clear for any mid-tones. We want our base color to pop. Next, we will add several thin coats to the model. Remember, patience is the key. Don't rush, take your time to build up the rich color. You may wonder why we use a black primer instead of white. Well, the black primer actually helps achieve a more vibrant color in the end, from my experience. White primer tends to interact less predictably with painted colors. I'll still need to add multiple layers of thin coat, and with the white primer, dealing with inside shadows becomes tricky. Later, when it comes to inking, black primer makes the process more smooth. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Now that we've applied Keldor Sky Blue, it's time to add some striking red. We'll be using the Army Painter's Pure Red. We'll add the red to the Power Fist to create a nice contrast and break up all blue scenes. For this Space Marine, painting the eyes is a bit easier thanks to the large goggles. Take your time and add several red layers to really make the color pop. With the red done, it's time to add some black stroke using panel liner black. Thin down the panel liner and carefully apply it on the sections that needs darkening, like the gaps. These steps can be delicate, so go easy and steady. If you made a mistake, use an enamel thinner to clean it up as soon as possible. Next, we'll color the other small details before moving on to the highlights. I'll list the colors name I use on the video for your reference. For the metal part, we'll use a simplified non-metallic metal technique. Start with AK's graphite and highlight the top with white. You might come back later to clean this up. Now, we begin the highlights. Imagine where the light will hit the model and place your highlight accordingly. Consider how the light will make certain areas appear brighter and stand out. Let's move on to the gold details by first adding full grain pink. We use pink because painting yellow over black can be challenging. For the yellow, we'll use Imperial Fist as the base color and Illiadan Yellow for the darker section. Both are contrast paints from Citadel. Now, let's tackle the blue highlight. Start with Cantor Blue for the darker area. Next, For the lighting highlight, use Lawthorn Blue first, then add white on the top of the Lawthorn Blue. When we are at it, let's add white to the other sections like the flamer and the shield emblem on the left side of the Space Marine armor. Also, add white to the gold area and the power fist. Along with some edge highlights. We're almost done, but let's add some black ink using an ink pen. Highlight the outer edge or any other places you find suitable. Also, add some strokes to give that comic book look. And we are done! You know, my favorite part of this is that if you put it next to other models, actually it will stand out really well. And that's something that shows its vibrance. So anyway, this is one of the styles that I've done for the cell shading. There are many other styles, but this one feels more comfortable to me. It's less stress and it doesn't take so much time. Would you like to see more cell shading or know more about cell shading? Let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. This is OmniMing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.